A very good morning to all. Everyone are frequently heard the names such as Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Apple, Fiat, Ford, etc. These are brand names of a product in our market. So, a brand is a name, a logo, or symbol that evokes in customers' perception of adding value for which they will pay a premium price. Today we are discussing about e-branding. E-branding is one of the most integral part of a marketing campaign of any organization. As you know, a well designed informative website is the only medium through which an organization can reach out of the world in a short span of time and give the potential customers of the business organization. Now we are coming to the meaning of e-branding. E-branding refers to the sum total of a company's values, attitude, vision, mission, personality, and appearance that is projected to the audience online. In today's most sophisticated electronic era, e-branding is an essential requirement for the survival among the competition. Now we are coming to the features of e-branding. E-branding is like traditional branding aims to create a specific brand image, but to create it and manage it by using the tools and opportunities offered by the internet. The features of e-branding may be of constant presence, interactivity, speed, and constantly expanding audience. First one is constant presence. Communication, as you know, is an integral, is constant. All the contents are constantly on websites or social media profiles. They can be reached by every internet user from anywhere in the world. Next one is interactivity. Communication conducted on the internet allows one side of the communication to interact with the customers. Social media helps to find out their favorite brands, have the opportunity to ask queries, evaluation and provide feedback on products and services so that business or individuals can react more quickly on user ratings. And third one is speed. Image campaigns in the traditional media such as TV, press, outdoor advertising, they all require more regular planning in advance. In addition to these, public relations and media relations need more time. On the internet, it is possible to have an effect immediately, and any other information sent over the network goes to the audience right away. Last point is constantly expanding audience. Now, there is a gradual decrease in the number of traditional media consumers, for example, TV or press. Meanwhile, the number of internet users is constantly increasing. So, the features, I am once more repeating, features of e-branding are constant presence, second one is interactivity, third one is speed, and fourth one is constantly expanding audience. Now we are coming to the benefits of e-branding. First one is it is easy to survive. Easy to survive means it is easy to survive among the competitors. And second one is to build loyalty from the consumers. It helps to build loyalty from the consumers. Third one is it is convenient to gain a reputation among the customers. It is convenient to gain reputation among the consumers. And fourth point is e-brand becomes the digital assets of a company. Next point is it is easy to expand the customer relationship also. It helps to be a part of the grand global internet community of the 21st century. And last point is it helps to personalize the brand offerings to the consumers better than traditional methods of branding. Okay. So the benefits are easy to survive among the competitors, to build a loyalty from the consumers. Third one is convenient to gain reputation. Fourth one is a digital assets. And fifth one is expand the customer relationship. And sixth point is it helps to be a part of the global internet community. And last point is provide better offerings than traditional e-branding. Next one is challenges of e-branding. The challenges may be classified into four: insufficient use of internet tools. Second one is security concern. Third one is merchandise supply chain, and last point is lack of understanding of customer expectation. First one is insufficient use of internet tools. As you know, online marketers are used a number of internet tools to enhance better visits and their transaction. When a customer logs in, he would give his personal details also, no? Any repeat visit should make the customer feel at home by providing information specific to the customer based on past visit. Second one is security concern. There are still many who are apprehensive submitting credit card details online. That is the main problem faced by us. The threat to online theft is a major security concern. Third one is merchandise supply chain. This problem is always faced by us. That is a common complaint that is related to the online shopping is that most products are out of stock. Another is that the delivery of goods or delivery of damaged goods or incorrect goods to the customers. And fourth one is lack of understanding of customer expectation. That is a large number of online companies are failed because they fail to understand their customers, taste, fashion, needs, etc. So the challenges are insufficient use of internet tools. Second one is security concern. Third one is merchandise supply chain. Last point is lack of understanding of customer expectation. Then last point, that is e-branding distribution channels. There may be of three types. First one is social media, second one is content marketing, and third one is website. First one, social media. We all are know the social media. The social media channels are now widely used in our communication. Their advantage is the possibility of interaction between users and the brand, but also the creation of relationship between the supporters of the brand. According to a research report, customers who became friends or fans of a brand on Facebook are more loyal and spend more on shopping than other customers. Second one is content marketing. The growing importance in branding, gains of content marketing. The creation and distribution of high quality information is one of the most effective marketing strategy in creating the brand image. Last one is website. The website is the most important flagship of a brand. Its highly visibility and easy availability increases the reliability, the customer's willingness to purchase services or products. These all are all about e-branding. Today we are discussing about features of e-branding, benefits, challenges, and e-branding distribution channel. I hope all of you are go through it and raise your queries also. Thank you very much.